Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Cash. I'm doing an unboxing video of my new Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. I have Diary of a Wimpy Kid Old School. And life was better in the old days, or was it? That's the question Greg Heffley is asking as his town voluntarily unplugs and goes electronics free. But modern life has its conveniences, and Greg isn't out for an old-fashioned world. Can't wait to read this book, and I'll let you guys know how was it. I also wanted to show you guys that I got this Tube Heroes Gaming from Toys R Us. And it came with this book right here. And this book basically shows you apps and websites for your YouTube channel. And it also has these backgrounds. It has this one. It has these backgrounds. I'm not sure how it works, but I just got it because I thought it would be cool. So since I'm new to YouTube, I just wanted to see what it was about. And it came with this little guy. It also came with a tripod, but the tripod was cheap and it broke the same day I tried to use it. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell for notifications. And thank you for watching. Cash rules.